wanted to take one idea and turn it into 100 ideas. That was my initial idea. So what I did is I poked through the PLR content, the commercial use products that I have the rights to, and I found one that sparked an idea. I don't remember the exact title. It was something about do something each day, or one thing a day, or 3 things a day. It was something along that idea. And so what I did is I started to jot down ideas. So here are the pages that you have, along with worksheets to come up with your own ideas. But what I did is I wanted to create a list. So the numbers correspond with like idea 1, idea 2. So this page is ideas 1 through 60. So first of all, I thought planner audiences. So each of these could be a product, preschool, kindergarten, etc. Elementary school, junior high school, college, sports team, dance classes. So those are each ideas, and could create one for students, one for parents, and one for teachers. And then I thought, well, if you can do grade school, if you can do the entire elementary or the entire junior high, why not break it out even further? And it could be the same exact book as we talked about in the last module. However, you can change the colors to represent what that grade level might be interested in. You might have several different color combinations for each grade, but you could have one set for first grade, second grade, all the way through 12th grade, including college, but you have college listed at the top. And you can also have for students, parents, and teachers. Now, if you create additional color combinations, you can multiply the number on this page. But here are 60 ideas. Then I have 60 more ideas because this first page, these are dated academic planners. The next one is undated academic planners, which means you could also multiply it and have them just be annual calendars versus academic planners. So you can multiply it again. But for our purposes, I just have another 60 here. Then I just started coming up with miscellaneous undated. This first column is undated, and the second column is dated. Planners for kids, teens, moms, dads, grandparents, bakers, chefs, dancers, etc. And down here it has coffee lovers, chocolate lovers, habit trackers, meditators, ... So you can see the ideas can be unlimited. But I did not have any of those ideas until I started jotting down my ideas. So I came up with journal ideas. I have a journal topic list here, which could be for adults or young adults. And on the right-hand side, journal topics for kids. So on the left-hand side, a 30-day journal. On the right-hand side, a 30-day journal for kids. So this whole right-hand side, it ends with for kids. So you're creating a for kids series, which can be unlimited. So we're up to 218 ideas. And again, you can multiply that if you're going to change the format or the color or make it the calendars annual instead of academic, etc. And then I came up with where I started, which is this idea here. Do something each day. So I started there. That's where I started from. And so I started thinking, call someone each day, cook something each day, clean something each day. And I started coming up with all of these ideas on the left-hand side. And I realized, so here's something, each one of these can be its own book by itself, or you could have a book called Do Something Each Day, and each page can be a different activity for your audience. So that's one idea. And I've already published this to Amazon because I wanted to see what it would look like. So I have a couple of these published to Amazon, which I can show you. And then we talked about, in one of our sessions, we talked about, actually in the Content Creation Club, we had a whole session on mix and match collections, which several of you I know are working on, where you're opening up several journals or planners and you're pulling your favorite pages. So I came up with a mix and match series, mix and match brain dump pages. So you could create a whole collection. You can call them planner packs if you want. Mix and match planner pages, daily planner pages, weekly planner pages, ... all the way through down here. Kids activity pages, habit tracker pages, productivity pages, healthy living pages. So the ideas are endless, right? So I thought you would find this helpful. So I wanted to get it rather than just a bullet point of a couple ideas, all of these ideas together, plus pages, blank pages where you can capture your own idea. And I wanted to show you these are two of the books from the Do Something Each Day series. But let's just take a peek real quick. This is only 2 pages that just repeat. So here's the title page, the publishing page this journal belongs to. Obviously, this is a kid's version. So what I did is I made 2 pages and I reversed the layout. So here I have the child on the left-hand side, a journal about what I did for fun today, and then do something fun each day and today's date, and then make a list of more fun things you can do. And then the facing page is draw a picture here and describe or tell a story about this picture. And then I flip the order. So this one is going with this to the left, this one's going with this flourish to the right, and it doesn't show it, but I have another one with the child flipped. So that's that one. And then I wanted to create an adult version because I was saying you can make these for kids, but you can also make these for adults. So here's the same concept, and I just made it for adults. So you can see the difference, same concept, but how you could have it. There it is. So look at that, the same exact concept, but this is for adults. And let's pull up the children's one right alongside it. But let me just pull it up side by side so I can show you. And let's look at them. There we go. So that's one page, and then see how I flip the order? I thought that would create more interest. So I flipped the order there because this image really called for that. That's the adult version. So see that by just changing the font style, the image, and the style a little bit, you can change it from adult to children, obviously based on the topic.